Guys, it's happening. It is happening this morning, bright and early. Yes, my windshield that was busted on I-75 North is being repaired. I mean, replaced, literally. Lucky is so. Like, Mama, somebody is around your car right now. Mama, somebody's at your car. And I'm like, Lucky, shh, hush. Oh, let him do his job. Lucky, stop. Stop. Oh, look at this. It's taking all that stuff off now. I have no idea how they do their magic, but Tire Discounters Auto Glass is here, and they are doing the job. They're fixing my sweet Zayla. Look at her. He's going to fix it. He's going to fix it, y'all. I know, I'm so excited. Right now, there's a big busted place. There, look at him. There goes that. Shh, Lucky, stop it. I don't know how they do things like this, but y'all, it's pure magic. Maybe? I do not know. Yeah, Sugar Lumpus is trying to help. Sugar, move. Get out of the way. See that big crunch up there? Big crunch on the driver's side. It's getting ready to be repaired, y'all. I'm so excited. That was a scary time in my life when that happened. Okay. I don't know. Sugar is trying to get in my way, y'all, while I'm recording. I'm totally ecstatic that this is being fixed. He said it would take about between 45 minutes to an hour. Ooh, he's over there doing his thing. Sugar, excuse you, Sugar. Okay. Look at the glass windshield. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Did y'all see that? Sugar, stop. Did you see the windshield? Okay. Okay, I'm having some distractions here. I have a kitty trying to get in my window. It's a beautiful day to be doing this job because the cold weather has gone. So Derek's been doing this for a few years, he said. And I just want to say, guys, it really does pay to follow up when you get your vehicle injured on the interstate, or you get your windshield busted on the interstate. It does pay to follow up and get it taken care of. Follow up with the company name that's on the vehicle, and be honest. Be totally honest with that. Well, I'm going to let this guy get on to his business, his work that he's doing. I don't know what he's Yeah, he's just making sure all the protective stuff is off of it now. Spraying it real good. Cleaning it real good. Sugar, honey, no. Sugar, okay. Are you, hello? Are you helping me? Are you helping? Thanks. I don't see how much help you're being right now. Sugar. Excuse you. Excuse you. Excuse you. Y'all, let's get a picture of the curtain. And a white cat. We'll come back to this event later because obviously Sugar is not going to let us do the job. Obviously. Now, this guy is... he closed the door. He is checking out taking off the wind. He's taking off the mirror or something. He's doing his job. He's measuring. Lucky, stop. Well, I have a cat who's like, video me, please, Mama. Take my picture. So we'll look at what's happening later and see when it's done. Sugar pants, sugar lumps, sugar lumpus, sugar lumpus is a side. Guys, I'm telling you, there's this watchdog. Yeah, he's like, Mom, there is something happening out here. Mom, did you know there was somebody outside touching your car? Lucky, what's going on? What's happening, baby? What is it? Huh? Is there somebody out there? Are they touching Mama's car? Are they? Are they touching my car? What are you going to do about it? Lucky, no barking. Sit down. Sit right now. Sit on your bottom. Oh, okay. Thank you. Okay, you're going to be a sphinx? Okay, he's the sphinx right now. You the sphinx? I'm just going to find yourself a little spot. You know that Sugar Lumpus' spot. Oh no, Sugar's going to get behind the window, y'all. Yep, behind it. You all are just a side. Okay. Y'all are a side. That's all I can say. What's happening, Lucky? I can't see you, baby. You're so dark. So you know when you say, I'm thankful for this company who trusted and believed the truth of what happened to my vehicle. Right, Lucky? Because sometimes people will fib and tell and make up stories to get money crookedly. But I think that the integrity of this company has just been amazing. But the fact that me videoing or photographing everything made a difference, right, Lucky? He's like, right, Mom. Okay. Let's move out of the way so we can see what this guy's doing. I can't see anything because you are like right up in it, Lucky. Yeah, guys, he's working there. Lucky's taking over my spot where I can't see what's happening. But pretty soon, this is going to be replaced And I give praise and thanks to God. You know, this is Thankfulness Day 10, right? Yes, it is. Guys, I believe we are done. Look at my new windshield, would you? Okay, it's done. It is done. He's getting ready to come get his money. Ooh, praise the Lord. Thankful.
Only getting up advertisement, because I mean, really, we've only
There
been
it
doing
is.
it down in Lexington for,
Right.
around a little less than a year.
Well, Derek, you did a fab job.
Because I used to work for Safe Flight, and we stayed